Kurumirira ihinda riria riaheanitwo ni ruhonge rwa guthaitira maria maturigiceirie NEMA ria kuninwo kwa mihuko iria rikana ndikinyaniire ikiro. Ruhonge ruru ni ruthundurite mihuko ingi iria itanyitwo gukorwo ikihuthika. Akieria na andiki a mohoro murugamiri munene wa ruhonge ruru Ruhonge, mihuko iria makoretwo magitianiria ni iria itakinyaniire ikiro kuona ihuthikaga urita rimwe na igacoka guteo.
Into the market came a product which is the non-woven bag, which is a product of the industry at the time that filled the market very well. It was strong, it had good tensile strength, and it filled the market for a while before malpractices came in, and I think manufacturers came in and dealt a blow on the standard. The standards lowered completely.
Na kuona endia hamwe na aguri makoretwo magikaya matiari na umenyo wa guteanirio kwa mihuko ino, Ruhonge ni augite ni maheanire ihinda ria mieri ina andu othe makorwo mahimbiirie mihuko mieru na uguo gakinyiriria matigukorwo magicoka na thahari murugamo uyu.
Our desire is to have a product or a carrier bag which is strong, which can be reused, which can be washed, which is food grade.
Ni murugamo uria unyititwo baru ni kiama kia onjoria kiumbe KEPSA na kiria kia onjoria nini makiuga ni mekunyitania na ruhonge rwa NEMA hari kugacithia utheri wa mihuko ino mieru niguo kugitira maria maturigiceirie.
We want also to come up with NEMA, KEBS and the manufacturers with a bag that if I buy today, I do not have to buy another one tomorrow. And as the DG has said, if you buy one of these today and shop, tomorrow you will go again and buy another one.
Our technical committees, our manufacturers are ready to manufacture what is required within the law so that we can continue our businesses and serve people with whatever they are doing.
No na kuria uguo kuhuthirwo kwa mihuko ino mieru ni gukorwo githondeka mieke ya wira kuona igukorwo igithondekirwo guku bururi-ini. Riu no nginyanagia Kenya othe makorwo makihimbiria mihuko mieru irendekithitio ni ruhonge rwa guthaitira maria maturigiceirie rwa NEMA na kwaga uguo uria wothe ugukorwo akinyitikana na muhuko muthemba uyu egukorwo akihurwo fine ya shiringi milioni 2 kana kioho kia njera miaka 2. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV mutamburuko wa mohoro njitagwo Wainaina wa Kierie.